You little piece of shit.
Jonathan, let me explain.
There's nothing to explain. You sold me out the second you connected with Forstman.
No, I thought I could...
Tapped out. We've got more empty bottles than full. Hell, even your mocktails are selling out tonight. It's not...
Annie, go to sleep.
Can we just please forget about this now?
And the worst thing is that you sold me out without warning and made me look like a fool. Husband and wife are supposed to...
In English phrasal verbs, we will learn the verb, sell out. It means 1. When all the inventory of a particular product has been purchased. Examples: the tickets to the band's concert were already sold out by the time we arrived. During the holidays, most of the ingredients for the traditional recipes sell out early. So it is best not to wait until the day before to go to the supermarket. 2. To do something against your moral principles in exchange for success. Examples: most celebrities sell out in order to reach a certain level of fame. Never sell out, because when you get older you'll regret it dearly. Now, let's see how sell out is used in real life.
Our show. And it turns out today's show wasn't sold out either.
Hi, Manny, not now.
Let him talk.
Great, I'll leave you to it.
Hell, even your mocktails are selling out tonight. It's not...
They sell out incredibly fast, but as long as one of us gets...
Good Lord, this is not the time for flirting. Keep it in your pants.
He knows I sold the drugs out from under him while he was in the hospital. What are you gonna do?
Don't want to slander me, so you admit it.
I don't admit a thing. Your client sold out.
I know you're looking for something. We all are, in this messed up town, but selling yourself out to be somebody's punching bag? No, you're worth more than that.
You know, I knew he was a hypocrite after I found out about the gambling. I never thought he'd sell out Harvard.
This way. Also, maybe you don't want him to find out that Mommy tried to sell his business out from under him, am I right?
No comment.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.